This video, we are going to see about how to draw the market structure shift and liquidity in the live market. In last video, I have teached about what is meant by market structure shift and what is meant by liquidity. What is meant by market structure shift? I have given introduction in last video, and in last video, I have explained about how to use the market structure shift and liquidity in live market. I have explained how to use. There are two types of liquidity: buy sell liquidity and sell sell liquidity. When market break the buy side liquidity, we take a sell trade. When market break out the sell side liquidity, we take a so I think you may understand what is in the liquidity. In this video, I will say why we are using market structure shift. Okay, why we are using market shift? Because in the market won't go always in uptrend. The market won't travel always in uptrend. The market will change the trend. So this place is known as change of current market structure shift. Market won't be always in uptrend. Market will change in downtrend. The downtrend, when this low breakout, we call this as a market structure shift. So this is known as that. I think you may understand what is known as market structure shift. The market won't go same direction. The change of trend is known as market structure shift. I will teach you how to draw the liquidity. Teach you how to draw and buy sell liquidity and sell sell liquidity. Now we are going to see about market structure shift. Okay, first we need to know how to draw a market structure shift. When market is in uptrend, when market is traveling in uptrend, and then suddenly when market change in the downtrend, this area is known as market structure shift. Market structure shift. I think you may know market structure shift in cases. Okay, and go to this top center. This okay, fine. Okay, then. Okay, save as and access. Okay. Now market structure shift. When the market is traveling in uptrend, now the trend change is known as market structure shift. I think you may understand. In downtrend, when market is in downtrend, when market is going downtrend, when market break out this, when market break out this high is known as market structure shift. I think you may understand what is my market structure shift. When market break out this high is known as market structure shift. Why we are using market structure shift? We are using market structure shift for reversal entry. Why we are learning market structure shift? Not every single is a liquidity point, not every single is a liquidity point. You need to find the proper liquidity which is buy sell liquidity or which is sell sell liquidity. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a buy sell liquidity. Okay, I will teach you in the live market. I think you may understand what I am saying. Okay, first I have said you how to draw a market structure shift buy sell liquidity when market break is at an high is known as buy sell liquidity, and you can go in 15 minutes, 5 minutes. This is a market structure shift. I say which is this is a high, which is low to this high. This is low, so we consider this as a market structure shift. I have teach you. This is an high, so this is a low. This high is low to this, so we mark this as a market structure shift. So this is a market structure shift. When market break out the buy sell liquidity, after there is a market structure shift, there is a chance of reversal. Okay, how to consider this liquidity point is high valued liquidity point. In above, there is any PD array. If there is any PD array, any order block, something else, this is known as this place is known as is something PD array. When market break out the buy side liquidity, after that there is any PD array above that, so that is the reversal. Due to that PD array, market is reversal. When market break out the market structure shift, it is the chance of reversal. So I will teach you here. I will teach you for a sell side liquidity. When market break out this low, when market breaking this low, in 1 hour, we go in 1 hour. Okay, we are using in 1 hour. I will teach you two examples. After that, you need to explain. You need to learn how to use the sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity in the market. Okay, I think you understand. Right, right. Okay. When market breaks this liquidity point. Okay, this is too long. Yes, this is good. Having similar sell side liquidity. When market break out a sell side liquidity, you need to find a proper liquidity point in the chart. Okay, I think you understand. When market break out this sell side liquidity, when market break out the sell side liquidity, we need to break this sell side liquidity. After that, we need to find where does the market stick shift is going to happen. So you need to find where is that point. Okay, go. Let's research where does I draw? Okay, in 5 minutes it must be. I have drawn down. So I think you understand what is meant by market structure shift and how to draw the market structure shift. When market break out the buy sell liquidity, and after that we confirm for reversal entry. So we consider market structure shift for the reversal entry. So we are using two kind of that. Okay, in this video, I think you understand. If you have any doubt in this video, you can ask in comment section. Thank